First of all, it's been great to actually meet the Welsh community and both the fellows and the kind of policy people from government and the health sector. It's been great, particularly being a fellow, but out of Wales, living in Leeds. That's been really useful to kind of integrate myself into kind of the problems and the particular situation and peculiarities and of the Welsh situation and the situation of AI in Wales. I think what's been interesting in the diversity of the concerns here, the challenges that in some senses are unique to Wales, and just to hear my colleagues from around the country and their inputs into this, I really enjoyed today. So this is a very exciting time in AI. I mean, things are moving so rapidly. There's lots of, every day you read the newspaper, there's another article about AI. Everybody's got excited about it, but they're also worried about it. And so I think it's clearly impacting all of our lives, or certainly many people's lives. So we need to be ahead of the situation, ahead of the game, and be thinking about what we can do to both exploit AI better, but also to make sure we mitigate against the concerns that many people have about AI and the possibilities for harm as well as the possibilities for good.